Apple is expected to replace the iPhone 16 Plus with the iPhone 17 Air or iPhone 17 Slim due to disappointing sales of the Plus model. The new device is rumored to be significantly thinner than its predecessors. The iPhone 17 Air is anticipated to be between 5mm and 6mm thick, making it slimmer than the iPhone 16 7/8 and iPhone 16 Pro opening parenthesis 8.25 closing parenthesis. It will also be thinner than the iPad Air 6/1 but slightly thicker than the iPad Pro 5/1. Features and specifications: extreme thinness will result in the removal of physical SIM card support and a single speaker that doubles as the earpiece. It will utilize a new Apple-designed modem, which is smaller and more power-efficient but lacks mmWave support and has slower data speeds compared to Qualcomm chips. The iPhone 17 Air is expected to have a smaller battery than the iPhone 16e's 3,561 mAh cell and will feature a single rear camera with a large centered bump. The iPhone 17 Air is projected to launch in September 2025.